Hi guys. All right, so let me share my screen with all of you, and we are just starting the session. Just give me a minute. All right, so this is the first lecture of our Oracle DBA class, and I hope you guys can see me, you guys can hear me very clearly. Uh, again, my request to everyone that these lectures are going to be really interesting, and those people who want to start the career into the Oracle DBA. So my suggestion to everyone is please join this session daily. The timing is 8:30, but we will make it uh, this timing as 8 o'clock. Okay, 8:30 will be little late. So from tomorrow, please join by 8 o'clock. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. So let's close this. All right. Oh, my screen is a complete mess. All right, all right, all right. Stop this. I'll just go here. Fine. Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay, let's use this. Okay. Um. So basically, my main agenda to start with the lectures, we called it as a Oracle DBA. So basically, what I want to do, I want to start my career as a Oracle DBA. So when you want to start a career as a Oracle DBA, I'll tell you the roadmap, like how you can start the career as a Oracle DBA. First of all, you need to start with Linux operating system. So you should have some basic knowledge about the Linux. You should have knowledge about the SQL, which is again related to the database only. So if you know SQL, you can use this SQL knowledge with multiple databases, like you can use it with Oracle, you can use it with MySQL, SQL Server, or any other database also. Once you are comfortable, once you get the basic understanding about these two technology, the third one, which is very very important, we are going to start with the Oracle DBA. We are going to start with the Oracle DBA. So if someone is asking you like, okay, how can I start my career as a Oracle DBA? The first thing that you need to understand about Linux, then SQL, and then Oracle DBA. This is how we are going to start our. This is how we are going to start our career. Now from where we can start? Okay, I will not do any. I will not do any faltu ka gyan and all those things. I'll straight forward. I'll directly touch to the. I'll directly touch to the fundamentals. So we will start with the Linux first. So the first thing that you are going to understand about Linux. So this is the thing which we are going to start first. We are going to start with Linux. Now what is Linux? Okay, what is Linux? So Linux is a operating system, just take an example. Currently I'm using my Windows operating system, right? On this Windows operating system we have multiple softwares are there, like I can run Zoom software, I can run the Google Chrome, I can run Office. Similar way I can install a database also. Now Windows is an operating system, but in the real-time production environment we have multiple type of operating systems are there. Normally for Oracle database or PostgreSQL database, they don't use Windows operating system. So the main problem with the Windows operating system is it is very costly. In terms of security also there are some challenges are there. In terms of performance also there are some challenges are there. That is the reason most of the time the people are using a different operating system. We call it as a Linux operating system. What is a different operating system they will use? Linux. Now in this Linux we have multiple flavors are available, like you might have heard about the Red Hat Linux, you might have heard about Oracle Linux, right? You might have heard about the Ubuntu, you might have heard about CentOS, right? You can use any Linux. So many people are also asking me like, okay, if I know about the Red Hat Linux, can I use the same command on Oracle Linux or Ubuntu or CentOS? Yes, you can use that. So what I will do, I'm going to talk about the Linux operating system, and under this Linux operating system you can install your database software. Now when I say database, you can install n number of database, like you can install Oracle database, you can install MySQL database. If you want, you can install SQL Server database also. That is also possible, guys. So if you know any Linux na, any Linux, you can understand, you can run those command on Oracle Linux also, MySQL also, SQL Server also by any chance, and not SQL Server. SQL Server again. Just take an example. If you know, you can run this anywhere also. Now what I'm going to say, let's do one thing. Just to make you understand about this concept, I will use any one Linux operating system. So just to make you understand about this Linux, what I will do, I'll start with the very simple, we called it as a Ubuntu operating system. As of now, we are starting with Ubuntu operating system. In future, we are going to use Oracle Linux. In future, when we discuss about the database administration, that time we will go with Oracle Linux. As of now, just to make the life easy so that you people will be enjoying it, we will go with the Ubuntu operating system. Now, how to install? First of all, how to install Ubuntu operating system? How to install Ubuntu operating system? That is your question, right? How to install Ubuntu operating system? So if you want to install Ubuntu operating system, first of all, you need to download the software, right? You need to download Ubuntu software. You need to download Ubuntu ISO file, which is Ubuntu software. Now I cannot run two operating system at a time, right? Like, see, I'm already using Windows operating system. So how to use Ubuntu operating system, like two operating system at a time? For that, we are going to use a software called Oracle VirtualBox. So Oracle VirtualBox is a software which will help you to run multiple operating system at a time. I'll give one example. See here. This is a Oracle VirtualBox software. This is a Oracle VirtualBox software, and you can see that I'm using my Windows operating system also. This is my Windows operating system. Along with that, I can run my Linux operating system also. So this is my Linux. How can I run two operating system at a time? This is possible with the help of software called Oracle VirtualBox. So this is a VirtualBox software which we need to use and install to run your multiple operating system at a time. So now you can see that I have three machines are running. Machines mean basically three operating systems are running. Here I installed my Oracle Linux. So first machine, second machine, third machine. I can run multiple machine at a time by using which? By using this Oracle Linux. So if I show you, the machine will looks like this. So this is my Oracle Linux, guys. Don't worry about that. I'll show you this practically also, but you don't need this as of now. I'll show you this practically later on. Let me stop this machine because I don't need this machine. Whenever your machines are running now, it will consume your lot of memory. So if you don't want your laptop to get hang, better you stop that machine now. So I stopped that machine. So first of all, we are going to see how to download Ubuntu. First of all, we are going to see how to download Ubuntu. So I'll say download Ubuntu and just install this version. I don't install other version. So just go download Ubuntu ISO file, click the first link. Okay, click the first link. Then you can see, scroll it down, you can see there is a this link is there. Okay, so you just click on that and it will start downloading your ISO file here. You can start, your ISO file is getting downloaded over here. I'll just stop that because this ISO file is already there with me. So what is the first thing that we have done? What is the first thing? The first thing that we have done is, what is the first thing that we have done? The first thing that we have done is we downloaded the ISO. That is the first thing we downloaded. Now I need to install the Oracle VirtualBox. How to install this Oracle VirtualBox? It's already installed in my laptop, but I'll show you here. Download VirtualBox. Just search here. Download Oracle VirtualBox. Let me show you here. Download Oracle VirtualBox. Just go. Now you'll get the website. My system is little slow, not system, actually my internet. So yeah, I can see here. Just go to the first website, virtualbox.org. Just go here, and there is something we called it as a Windows host because I want to install the VirtualBox on my Windows operating system. So I'll just click there, and now Oracle VirtualBox is in progress. From tomorrow, you guys come up with the laptop, guys. Okay, so we all will do the installation together. Okay, so today I will complete the installation. You do it on your personal laptop, and then we will do the practicals. Okay, so I'll just go here, and what I need to do, You just need to double click on it. Say double click on it. So I want to install Oracle VirtualBox. So it will start doing the installation of your Oracle VirtualBox. Now you can see the pop-up is coming. Click on next, accept the license agreement. Click on next, yes, yes, next, in install. Now my Oracle VirtualBox installation is in progress. Now my Oracle VirtualBox installation is in progress. So basically we have done two things at till now. What is the first thing? What is the first thing that we have done? The first thing that we have done is, what is the first thing? We have downloaded ISO. Which ISO? Ubuntu ISO, which is my Ubuntu software. Second thing is we have download and install which software? Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the second software we have done that. Now what I will do, I'll just go here. In my case it is failing, not failing actually, it is happening because I have already this Oracle VirtualBox is running. So that is the reason it is getting me the error message. So let me run that. Okay, it's already there. Let me close it. So my services are running because it's already there na? So that's the reason. So till now whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Say yes, say no. Till now whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and say yes? All right, I can see yes, 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 yes. Fine, nice. All right, good, very good. Okay, okay. Now what I will do after this, I will start the Oracle VirtualBox. I'll just do that. Let me show you that. It's quite simple guys, okay? You just need this setup to be available in your laptop. I'm showing you how to install the Linux operating system, and while you guys are facing any challenges na, you can reach out to the support team which is available in the group. Okay, I will tag the support team. Okay, they are available over the WhatsApp chat only, so it is available in the group. And if you need the support, you can install one more software called AnyDesk. So just say download AnyDesk, click here, install this software, AnyDesk software, click on download now, and just install this software. It is a very small software, completely free of cost. When you open the AnyDesk na, it will ask you to you need to provide your ID. There will be one number will be there that you need to provide, and then they will take your control. You need to allow them to take your control, and they will fix your issues. So when you have issues, they will fix it. Okay, don't worry about that. So now I am starting the Oracle VirtualBox. In my Oracle VirtualBox, you can see lot of operating systems are there, lot of servers are installed, because I'm doing it for my practice purpose. Again, like we need to earn the money, right? So I'm doing that. But in your case, it will be blank. It will slowly it will come there. Don't worry about that. Now what is the next thing? Click on the machines, new. I want to install operating system. Which operating system? So I'll say May. I'm assuming that it's your May batch, May Ubuntu. I'll give any name, May Ubuntu. You can just simply give Ubuntu only. Then provide the location. Don't use C drive. If you do not have any other drive, now let's say you do not have D drive, other drive, then that's okay. I'll go to the other and just go to the any drive where you have 30-40 GB space is available. So I'll just go here, right click and create one folder called Ubuntu VM. Just create one folder, select that. Now in this location, my VMware related files will be stored. Where is the ISO file? Click on the other. My ISO file is available, the one which we just downloaded. I told you, right? I'm already having. It is available in my E drive. Then I created this folder called Ubuntu. Can I see Ubuntu ISO? This is the one which I already downloaded from Ubuntu website. So what I need to do, click on skip unattended installation. Just make sure that you skip that, okay? Otherwise, your installation will be done automatically. So just do that. Now there is an option called hardware and hard disk. So what is this? See, whenever you do the installation of whenever you do the installation of any operating system, okay? Let's say this is my Ubuntu operating system. So for every operating system or every software, we need to provide certain things, like you need to provide memory. When I say memory, it is basically RAM. Okay, you need to provide memory. Second thing, what do you need to provide? You need to provide a storage, and third thing, you need to provide the processor, or we call it as a CPU also. So memory, how much memory you are going to allocate? You are going to allocate, let's say you have 8 GB RAM is there, so minimum 3 GB you can allocate. Storage, you can allocate around 40 GB minimum. Okay, I'm saying if you want to give more, the number of CPU, one CPU is more than enough. Why we need memory? See, memory is very important, right? When you purchase any laptop, the first question which you are asking, that what is your processor, how much memory? Because if the laptop is having high configuration processor, your laptop will be much faster. Your laptop will be faster when you have a huge memory. Like I'm having 32 GB RAM, so I can run multiple softwares at a time. Storage is just for to store your data. Like let's say I want to store my pictures, movie. Okay, that time we need this that time we need the storage. So what I will do, I'm just coming to my Oracle VirtualBox. Where is that? Here. How much memory you want to allocate? See, I have 32 GB RAM is there, so I can allocate around 8500, 8 GB. But for you, okay, you might have total 8 GB RAM. So those people who have total 8 GB RAM, those people who have total 8 GB RAM, they can allocate 3 GB also total. 12 CPUs na, and you just allocate one CPU. One CPU is more than enough. And what about the hard disk? You can allocate 40 GB if you have. Okay. So I'm going to allocate more area. Why? Because I have a lot of memory. 8 GB RAM. The number of CPU I'm allocating 3, and hard disk I'll allocate around 60 GB of hard disk, because I have sufficient 2 terabyte of hard disk I'm having. So I'll allocate more. Click on finish. Done. Now you can see on my left hand side the May Ubuntu is available. Did we done the installation till now? No, installation is not done. It is just you consider that the prerequisite that we have done. Now I'll click on the start, and now my Ubuntu installation is in progress. Arey yaar, I'm getting some error message because I'll tell you. The image required to be, make sure the kernel module has. I have played with this VirtualBox. That is the reason. That is the reason. What is the rack cloning? Fine. Acha, let me see what's happening. First of all, I'll close everything. I'll just go here. I'll just install my, I think I have some issues with my, I'll just go here. Let me install it one more time. Sometimes, I'm already having that VirtualBox, and again I install it. Maybe it is creating a problem. So let me remove that. Okay, I'm removing that, and let me install it one more time. Let's see what will happen. Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand, guys? Everyone? And does my voice is clear? My screen is clear? Everyone? Is it sync? So I'll say I will install it, Windows host. Let me download it one more time. Yes, okay, fine. Alright, so downloading is done. I'll just go here, double click on it. and let me install the VirtualBox one more time. Hopefully I should not, it is not asking me to restart the machine, because if it is asking me to restart the machine now, then this will get closed, like again I need to start the machine, means I need to start the Zoom meeting. Acha, this is the problem is that VirtualBox interface. Maybe I need to restart the machine. I don't want to do that. Click on the retry. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. Okay. Are you enjoying the session, everyone? How do you think? We'll see this practically. Okay, if you see and do the things practically now, then you will understand it much better. Okay. Can we change the RAM once we allocate? Yes, you can do that. If you want to change the RAM, you can change the RAM also later on. No problem in that. So let's say I want to change the RAM. So I'll click on the settings. I'll go to the system and I'll allocate, let's say I want to allocate 8 GB RAM. So I can do that from here. Okay. So if you want to change the RAM, you can change the RAM also. There is no problem in that. Acha. Hopefully I don't need to restart, because restarting now, then this Zoom meeting will stop. Let's see. Just say okay and start it. Let's see. If you get the error message, then I need to restart, or we'll see these things. We'll continue this from tomorrow then. If I get the error, no error. Okay, now it's nice. So you guys are lucky and I am also lucky with you. Click on view, click on the scale mode, maximize it. Try or install Ubuntu. Press enter. Try or install Ubuntu. So just press enter. Yes, I want to install the Ubuntu. So just wait for a couple of minutes and it will give you pop-up to do the installation of Ubuntu. So today we will try to do the installation of Ubuntu, and from tomorrow we will see the Linux command. Okay, from tomorrow. But what is my expectation from everyone is you guys please complete the installation. Okay, so this class is like, complete of practical sessions, many real-time scenarios we are going to discuss, many theoretical sessions will be also included. But if you are with me, then it will be a actual fun. Those people who have 4 GB RAM, they will find their laptop will be hung. Okay, so you need to work slowly. Okay, you need to work slowly. So don't worry about that. Okay, now I got the pop-up. Now what I will do, okay, so we got the pop-up here. Let's see. And now we can start doing the installation. Now what you need to do, just say click on install Ubuntu. I want to install the Ubuntu. Which language you want to give to your keyboard? By default it is English, which is fine for me. What do you want to do? Do you want to do the normal installation? Yes. If you want to uncheck this, now you can uncheck this also. I don't want to download update. You can do this installation on cloud also. There is no problem in that. So just click on the normal installation, click on continue, and let's wait for 1 minute. You will get the warning message, it will erase your disk. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Okay, just say install now, continue, and now your installation is in progress. One more thing, the steps I'm telling you, you need to follow the same steps. Right now I'm in India, click on continue. You need to create one user with the name learnomate. I'm repeating it one more time. Create the user with the learnomate only. Don't use your name or any other name. Keep it learnomate only, because we have a dependency of this learnomate user. Provide the password as Oracle, small letter Oracle. So if you don't know the Oracle spelling, you can check it here. I'm telling you again, don't use any other name. I should be able to see learnomate user in your Ubuntu. If you don't see the learnomate user, we will not support you. Okay, so be ready for that, because many times I have seen the people are using their, like, people are extra skills na, so they will do something. So don't use that. So this screen will run for next 30-40 minutes. After that you will get a message to reboot it. So just click on the reboot and your Ubuntu installation is done. So today we discuss about how to install Ubuntu, and in tomorrow's lecture I'll show you how to use Ubuntu. So I don't want to push everything on a single day. So let's go slowly so that you people also get a time. We will upload the recording by tomorrow. Okay, we will upload the recording by tomorrow. So be with me, do the practice, and you don't need to use a extra mind for at least next 2-3 months, because if you would have used your extra mind, why you are the part of learnement, right? So आप लोग just follow करो, and rest of the things I'll take care. Okay, so let's connect tomorrow. Okay, let's connect tomorrow and we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, bye bye, let's connect tomorrow. Tomorrow we will connect by 8 o'clock. Okay, not 8:30. Okay, so tomorrow I need all of you to join by 8 o'clock. Thank you, bye bye.